Maintaining your car during lockdown could be very challenging to a lot of people. And today I'm going to tell you simple steps that you can follow at your home and maintain your car at home without too much of an issue. So let's start with the very first point right after this intro video. Wow, and welcome back to Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish. And today I'm going to talk about easy steps to maintain your car during lockdown time at home itself, and that can be done by you at home. And if you're new to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and also hit the bell icon to make sure you get an update on every video I upload. And if you want to stay in touch with me on regular basis, you can connect with me on my social media handle. Here's the social media handle and stay in touch with me regularly. So let's straight away get on to the topic. Parking your car in the right place is very important. So make sure whenever you park your car, it should be placed in a shade, or if you have a garage, park your car in the garage and ensure it is not prone to water logging. So there are chances during monsoon time, if you park your car in a place where there could be water logging, this could happen. The next image that you see is a situation which I myself faced during monsoon, and my entire car got drowned in the water, and that costed a lot. So I'm sure you don't want that scenario. So always make sure you park your car in the right location. Once you have parked your car in the right location, next you want to do is avoid flat spots on your tire. So that means you have to move your car front and backwards at least once a week. Make it a practice at least once a week. Let's start the car and do so. Once you have ensured that you've moved your car front and backward to avoid any flat spot or cracking of tire, the next thing you want to do is keep your ignition engaged. That means you have to make sure you start your car at least once a week and keep it switched on for 20 minutes to have a healthy battery life and to make sure the battery does not discharge on its own. So battery life of your car is very important. So a lot of people had an issue last year during lockdown time. The biggest issue was discharge of battery. So you can avoid that by starting your car at least for 20 minutes a week and keeping a healthy battery life. Alternatively, you can also disconnect the battery and keep to ensure it does not self-discharge. And for electric cars, you can remotely switch on the AC of the car and make sure the battery life is maintained. And alternatively, what you can do is you can disconnect the battery aux and keep the state of charge at least between 40 to 60%. This is only for electric cars. And this is again for electric cars. If you are starting your car after a long time, make sure you charge it with slow charger and ensure the state of charge is 100% before you can move your car. So once you have ensured the battery life is taken care, next thing you want to do is you have to disengage your handbrakes. So if you are parking your car downhill, always keep your car in reverse gear when it's parked, and similarly in neutral gear if you are parking your car in a flat surface, and on a first gear if you're parking your car uphill. So this has to be a practice no matter what. And for all the automatic cars, make sure you keep a brick or some kind of topper to your tire, and this is mandatory for all automatic cars. While you have done all of this, you should always look at maintaining your fuel tank as well. So it's very important to protect your fuel tank. So always ensure you have a full tank when you have parked your car for a long time for the changing weather. So when the weather changes, there are chances of moisture settling into your tank. So always make sure whenever you park your car for a longer duration, have it full tank. Ensure you regularly clean your interiors and also use sanitizer when you clean your interiors. That is very important. And you should always look at using a vacuum cleaner to clean the entire dust particles which is settled in your interior. That is the best way to clean your car. So let's talk about when you wash your car, what should be your mixing. So whenever you're using car wash shampoo, make sure the percentage is 30% versus 70%. 30% should be your car shampoo and 70% of that should be water. So that should be your mixture. And whenever you apply that on any surface, make sure you use a microfiber cloth and use that to wash your car. By this way, you can maintain your interior and exterior of the car. Now let's go out and tell you what to do next. Now that you know how to take care of your interior of the car, the next thing you need to do is protect the exterior of a car. Always try to have a cover on your car which will avoid any changing weather and will protect your exterior paint and also will avoid any dust formation. So if you keep your car parked for a longer time, because of the changing weather, you will see the paint getting faded, and the other thing will happen is a layer of dust on your car and somebody might just want to rub it or something. That will end up having a scratch in your car. So just by following these simple steps, you can maintain your car at home itself during this lockdown time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share this video and help other friends of yours to maintain their car during lockdown time. And until the next video, I'm gonna say ciao for now. Stay at home, stay safe. Bye bye.